I want your help with the.
You're like.
What are you doing? Does this look like the right connection for a toilet? It's too big.
That isn't the fitting for a toilet. Toilet will go into it, okay, but that's not the pipe. Yeah,
right, because you want
the fixture thing that the pipe goes onto is much smaller.
Right, but you want it to only.
I know it's backtrack. What? This is like commercial back.
Not my fault. I do projects all the time.
Somebody to tear down a tree.
Yeah.
So I can put my tiny house in that spot.
Which I'm going to show you exactly where we're going to try to move the trailer to.
So
we really
I
need to
have
get
a friend that has
out.
a tree service, and he said that he's going to try to squeeze me into his schedule as soon as he can.
Oh, I guess. That'd probably work. It's probably better than having to get the nails out and everything. You live and you learn! Oh my gosh.
You know?
You know, if you wanted, you could use my power tools. They have bigger batteries that last longer. If you needed like a drill and that and saw.
Just go! Try again. Try again. Try again. Kind of scared me a little bit. Where's that file?
Oh, I put it back.
Ah,
I am responsible.
so straight.
Hey, Clark! Clark!
Another circle for you! Why does that fit inside of there?
But we just took it off for no reason. Wow.
Well, I can still return it. And then I could just get just an elbow of the same one. Right? So we just leave this off for now. Dad was saying this wasn't gonna fit in a 4-inch. Like this is the actual toilet. This is fit because you don't want it to overlap it. You want it to go inside so that
Don't look at her strange like that, Jessica.
I might have bought the wrong pieces. But
That looks right.
that part is.
That's the only part that's wrong.
I got the wrong elbow. What? I got the wrong elbow, but
Oh. You know what? That stuff happens with plumbing a lot. People end up going to the store 3-4 times in the day.
yeah. Yep. Our part's gonna be figuring out. I would think like going up like
Yeah, you don't want to be short.
right. So probably have a pipe go like that way.
3/4 inch floor. Plus whatever flooring you're
Right.
going
If
to
she
have
ends
after
up getting
that.
like tile or vinyl, it makes a big difference.
I'm thinking probably just
Not 3/4 inch oak.
You were just saying it's a good thing we haven't started gluing yet.
Point of no return.
Yeah.
tell us where the house should
Yeah. Okay.
It's 22. 22.7? Oh man, you're 7 inches out of regulation. No.
7 inches away.
All right.
This way, it's like a total slant.
That's why I was surprised when you said doing it that
I
way.
wasn't saying doing it that way.
Huh?
I was saying doing it this way.
She like this way.
Mom was saying it had to be up against the fence,
No, I think she just assumed you were doing it.
but it's like, that seems like a bad idea when it's on wheels to be like on a slant.
I think we should measure like from the edge, like in line with this garden.
Should we buy gravel before we move it there?
You don't have to. I mean, it'd be easier. But like, you gotta put blocks and stuff down first, because Dad was just saying how you don't want the ground disturbed, and you don't want to sit the blocks on top of gravel, because those would move. So you gotta do it on the ground, and then you would put gravel. See, I would just wait to do the gravel.